Hello everyone, a warm welcome to Astro Chakra. I'm your tarot reader and numerologist Jyoti. As you all know that on the 23rd of April, Hanuman Jayanti will be celebrated, our great Hindu god who happens to be Chiranjeevi. This year there is a special coincidence because it's falling on a Tuesday and at the same time it's a Chaitra Purnima day. We celebrate this day either by practicing a lot of traditional rituals, or the second way is meditating and at the same time remembering his heroic deeds. Right from the childhood, Lord Hanuman was playful and is an epitome of valor, courage, and also fearlessness. Let's hear out some of the interesting facts about Lord Hanuman. Lord Shiva, who always took interest in taking part in the Leelas or the divine plan of Lord Vishnu, incarnated as Lord Hanuman. Lord Hanuman was born to Anjana, who was cursed to be an ape woman, and eventually this curse could be reversed with the birth of Lord Hanuman, who happens to be an incarnation of Lord Shiva. Lord Hanuman is believed to be a celibate, but as per certain scriptures, he has Suvarna Macha as his mate. Apart from this, Lord Hanuman was one of the chief warriors during the battle between the evil forces of Ravana, and he took the side of Lord Rama, took an active part in the entire warfield. In this battle, when Lord Rama's brother Lakshmana was injured and fell unconscious, then it was Lord Hanuman who came to his rescue. He lifted the whole Parvat or mountain of Dronagiri and saved his life with this Sanjeevani booty or herb. Although Lord Hanuman did not directly participate in the epic battle of Mahabharata, still he imprinted his presence on the flag of the chariot of Arjuna. So it was with the combined power of Lord Krishna and Lord Hanuman that the chariot of Arjuna was able to sustain so many attacks, yet eventually the side of the Pandavas or Arjuna was victorious in the battle. To know more about the rituals and practices related to Hanuman Jayanti, please visit our homepage of Astro Chakra and check out our blog. Thank you so much.